Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of Tradex Pro binary trading website. So website is completely similar to Cortex, and this is a binary trading website. Viewers, if you want to purchase this website script, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, just contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video, and we can build this amazing website for you at a very reasonable price. And viewers, if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. So first of all, here you can see I'm currently on the login page, but if I don't have an account, like I have to click on sign up, and I can just simply create account by filling these simple details. Now currently I already have an account, so I'll just log in with my existing details. So here I have to enter my username, and after entering username, here you have to enter your password. Enter these details, click on sign in, and you can just log in. So you can see that I have successfully logged into my user panel of this amazing website. Currently you can see it's our demo, Script Smasher demo, and you can verify from our domain as well. I have hosted it on my host domain in order to give you the demo. So here you can see the amazing look of this website. You can see crypto pairs, and here you can do user can do its analysis. Here you can see top gainers, top losers, coins, etc. You can see over here, and here you can see hot coins. And viewers, you can see my total balance. You can deposit money. Here you can see there is a support option. You can go to Telegram channel by support, and you can see the notifications as well. And you can change logo, name, etc. Everything is changeable from the admin panel. So here is a market section. So you can see all the markets over here in this section. You can see gainers, top losers, and this is a trade section. So you can see how amazing this trade page is. So first of all, if I want to place trade, so here I can place trade of these time stamps. So I want to place trade of 1 minute, and here you have to enter your amount. I'll place trade of 1 USD on up. Let's see whether we will win or lose. So trade is open now, and after 1 minute our profit or loss will be added to our account. So here you can see that we placed $10 trade, and currently our balance is 990. So now when trade will close, so we will see whether we will lose or whether we will win. So if you want to see or track your order, you can go in order section. So here user can do its analysis, user can see change graph, etc., indicators, and this is a completely trading view graph, and customer can do his or her analysis from this section. And here is the order section. So here we can see all our orders in this section. So here you can see that we can see our time as well. 20 second, 19, 18 are remaining, and after this time our trade will close. Here you can see all completed trades, you can see all running trades in this section. So this is our first trade. So let's see whether we will win or whether we will lose. And here you can also write the top stories and blogs from admin panel as well, so you can write those things as well. So our trade has closed and we won the trade. So you can see we just won the trade, and let's see what's our balance. So our balance is 1001 USDT, because that win percentage was 10% only. So 10 we placed the trade of $10, so 10% is like $1. We can change this amount from admin panel. You can keep it 100%, 200%, whatever percentage you want to give it to user, you can do that from admin panel. So this is how user can do trade on the site. User can change the pair as well if user wanted to change pair. And here's a wallet section. So here user can deposit, withdraw, transfer money from one account to another. So if I want to deposit money, so here user can choose the gateway, and user can choose any gateway user want, enter the amount, enter your transaction ID, click on submit, and your deposit request will be sent. Here user can just scan the QR code as well. And this is how user can deposit money on the website. Here's a withdrawal section. So here user can withdraw money using any of the account. So you can make these gateways for withdraw deposit from admin panel, and I will guide you about each and everything related to this site. So watch this video till the end, and I'll show you how you can make these gateways. Here user can transfer money from one account to his another account on the same website, same like the Binance Pay ID. So this is similar to Binance, and you can see that as a clone of Binance as well. Like it is a mini clone of Binance for binary trading website. And here is a bot trading functionality, so we can turn on off bot trading from here. You can just start trade, and you can choose tokens, etc., and you can just start the bot trading from here. And it is for 24 hours AI trade, and after 24 hours your profit or loss will be added. And basically it's all about profit, so you can add profit to user account. Here you can see tokens, you can do check-in, and these are all the pairs on your website, coins on your website. And here on settings you can change your withdraw pin, you can do profile setting, you can change your password. User can contact your help and support or of Telegram or like WhatsApp, or user can read about your website. So this was all about the user panel of this website. Now I will go to the admin login page and I will show you how we can completely manage and control this website from the admin panel. So viewers, now you can see that I am on my admin login page of this website. Here you can see there's a Tradex Pro app. So user can, if user want to download the app of the website, user can just click on it and download the app. So currently I don't want to download it. So here we have to enter our username, and here I have to enter my password so I can just log into my admin panel. So admin has to enter these details in order to log in. So here you can see that I have successfully logged into my admin panel of this amazing website. First of all, you can see all your total users, transaction, total deposits, pending deposit, total withdrawals, pending withdrawals, and total transfer amounts. So you can see all these things on the dashboard, and it's a very amazing dashboard over here. Here from manage users, you can manage and completely control all the users on the website. Currently I'm using it on mobile phone, but you can use it on laptop, anywhere you want. So you can see how amazing it's a completely responsive website, and you don't need any laptop to manage or you don't need any coding or technical knowledge in order to make or use it. You can just simply just use it in GUI. Here we can add balance to user account, we can subtract balance to user account, we can change the user detail, ban the user, deactivate the user from here. So this is how we can completely manage all the users on the website. Here is a referral setting, so you can set deposit referral commission from here. So you can set referral commission from this section for deposit and for trading referral bonus. Here you can manage all the coins on your website, so you can just manage all the coins. So here suppose there is a USDT, so you can see its profit is 3%. Similarly, here is BTC, its profit is 10%. So you can change this profit amount from here to 100%, 200%, whatever percentage you want, you can just change them from here. It's a very simple thing. Here are all the deposit methods on your website, so you can view all those deposit methods that are on your website. Now if you want to edit them, you can edit them as well, so you can change their details, you can enter your own payment address, and you can just completely manage all the payment methods. And if you want to create new payment method, you can create new payment method from here. Here you can see all your deposit logs on the website, so it will show you all deposit logs here. Here it will show you all withdrawal methods on the website, and here you can click on add method and you can simply add a new withdraw method. If you want to use or edit the existing payment gateway for withdrawal, you can just edit the existing payment gateway as well. So it will completely depends on you. It's very simple and easier to make both deposit and withdrawal gateway on this website. And here you can see all withdrawal logs. Here you can see all the transactions on your website. You can view all those transactions on the site over here in this section. Here you can see all transfer logs here, and here's the site setting option, so you can change the name of website. Here you can set the site currency, you can change the site symbol, sign up bonus, you can set transfer limit, and here you can set the bot trading commission. You can set it 30%, 5%, 10%, that will add daily to user account. And check-ins amount, you can set it up from here. Here's a help and support, so you can add your Telegram link and WhatsApp link, so user can just contact you in case of any emergency or issue. And here's a logout option. So viewers, this was all about this amazing binary trading website. Viewers, in this video I gave you the complete overview of this site. It is a very amazing and easier to use site. You don't need any coding knowledge to control or manage this website. If you need any other kind of website, we have many other designs for binary trading websites are available. If you want to buy any of the script like trading website, binary trading website, spot trading website, you can contact us and we will build that site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.